Hey BZB TV fans, my name is Matt Richards with BZB Gear, and today we're taking another look at one of our new products, and that is going to be the BG EXHD 50 UWP-W. So we talked a little bit about the very similar brother product to this that also shares the 50 series name. So what this is a wall plate transmitter and receiver kit that's over Cat 6. You're going to get about 164 feet out of this. Pretty much all the same features as the other 50 units, but we'll go ahead and go over those anyways. That's going to be HDMI 2.0B, HDCP 2.2, and DisplayPort 1.2 Alpha. You're going to get 4K resolution out of this thing, up to 60 Hertz with a 4:4:4 color sampling ratio. Pretty nice on that. With the Cat 6, like we said, you're getting 164 feet. But on top of that, this is PoE enabled, so you're only going to have to run one cable from the wall plate to the receiver itself. For audio compatibility, you get plenty of options, whether it's LPCM, Dolby Digital, plus Dolby True HD, all of that good stuff you're going to get with it. And you're also going to get easy, convenient signal selection, because this is going to automatically select the best signal for you, but you can also do it through the wall plate itself. So that's a quick look at this brand new unit. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. This would be a perfect fit for a conference room, any sort of business presentation center, whether that's even education or colleges. These would be perfect for those. So again, any questions, feel free to reach out. We'd love to get back to you, and see you guys in the next video.